This is the definition of data definition language. Data definition language consists of those commands which are related to structures or tables. For example, table creation, addition of attributes, deletion of table, etc. This is the syntax of table creation. Let's create a table. I am using Oracle database. First, let me log in into my database. I am creating a table with the name student. The table will have 4 attributes: name, roll number, marks and address, and a data type has to be written after each attribute. Let's run this command. So, our table student has been created. Next, description of a table. This is the syntax of DESC, or describe command. Let's see the description of the student table. Let's run this command. This is the description of the student table. Next, is the alter keyword. It can be used in 4 ways. First, syntax is used to add a new column to the existing table. Let's add a new attribute, or column, named phone number, to the student table. Let's run this command. New attribute has been added. Let's now check the description of the table. Here, we see a new attribute named phone number, with data type number, has been added to the table. The second syntax is used to delete an attribute from the table. Let's delete the attribute named address from the student table. Let's run this command. The attribute address has been deleted. Now let's see the description of the student table. Here, we see the attribute address has been deleted from the student table. The third syntax is for modifying an attribute of the table. Let's change the data type of the marks attribute from number to real or float type. Let's run this command. The marks attribute has been modified. Now let's see the description of the student table. Here, we see the data type of the marks attribute has been changed to float type. The fourth and the last syntax is for renaming a table. Let's rename our student table to stu_info. Let's run this command. Table student has been renamed to stu_info. Now let's check the description of the table by using the new name. So, We have successfully renamed the table. Next is truncate keyword. Truncate keyword is used to delete all the records of a table, keeping only the structure of the table. For deleting the records, we have to insert some records into the table. I have already inserted 3 records. The process of inserting data will be discussed in the upcoming videos while discussing DML commands. Let's see all the records of the table. Let's run this command. These are the 3 records that I have inserted. Now, I will truncate the table. Let's run this command. Table has been truncated. Now we will try to see the records. No data found. Now let's see the description of the table. Here is the description of the table. This means the structure of our table is not deleted. Lastly, the droptable command. Drop command will delete the table along with its records. Let's delete our table named stu_info. Let's run this command. Table has been dropped. Now let's try to print the records of the table. It's showing an error message that table does not exist. Now let's try to see the description. Object to be described cannot be found. This means we have successfully deleted the table along with its records. Hope you got the basic idea about all the DDL commands in SQL. Practice the commands on your own. Thank you.